Hello nail kitties, it's Katie from Funfilled Nail Art Studio. I called today's design Subtle Hollow Arrows. I think the name is quite self-explanatory. I used all mainstream polishes for today's design, and one of them has dainty hollow particles in it. It's quite elegant and I love it. And this design reminds me a bit of 80s retro style. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments down below. Before I show you how I've done everything, if you like this content and want to see more videos like this from me, then please subscribe and you will not miss anything happening on this channel in the future. As a first step, I'm whitening my nails with polish remover. It doesn't take much time and it helps expand the longevity of my nail art. As a next preparing step, I'm applying base coat. It is my favorite nail polish base coat from NAILSINC. It smooths the surface of my nails and it creates a foundation for color polishes to adhere to. As a main base color for today's design, I chose this gorgeous pearly polish. It is called Towards Your Oyster Babe from NAILSINC, and if you want to see the review of the whole collection this beauty comes from, I'll link the video somewhere on the screen. Today I'm painting 3 coats of my polish because I don't want any nail line peeking through. And here's a quick look on all of my 10 nails, how they look with that 3 coats on. Now, because I'm about to use nail vinyls today, what I want to do first is to apply fast drying top coat. The vinyls adhere to it better and the top coat prevents the polish underneath from being ruined by that sticky vinyl. Since a sponge dabbing motion application is in order, I'm gonna apply nail protector for my sides of my nails. This one here is a different brand than the last time, and I was very unhappy with this one. Luckily, it was only one that I had owned, and I'm not going to buy that ever again. It was too thin to work with, and it stuck to itself very quickly, and then it was impossible to divide it again due to the overly thinness. Now I have here these V-shaped vinyls, which I'm gonna use next, and I want to create a sort of template for my arrows. So I'm just grabbing 2 of the vinyls and stick them to my nail in designated width apart. And just for fun, I'm changing the direction of the arrow on my middle finger as opposed to the rest of my nails. This has no other purpose than that I don't want all of my fingers to look the same. To fill the arrow in, I prepared this combo here. Both colors are from OPI. It was originally from a Christmas collection, but I don't mind, I can use them all year round. The red glitter color is called Dream in Glitter, and the pink with dainty hollow particle is called Let's Celebrate. I'm grabbing the sponge, it's a recycled one from previous nail art, and I'm applying red glitter in the dabbing motion as the first step. I'm a bit afraid that I'm gonna overdraw the borders of the arrow, therefore I'm using clear tape to cover the tip of my nail. I can be messy because I have all those barriers. I'm dabbing the red glitter quite densely because that is the look I'm aiming for. To add a little extra something something, I'm dabbing the Let's Celebrate color on top of Dream in Glitter. When I combine 2 colors like that, I get a whole new shade which is not easily categorized. And that's what I call horizontal layering, ladies and gentlemen. I am happy about how it looks now, so I'm gonna take all the barriers off before the polish has any time to dry. The vinyls with the protector would get stuck otherwise. Can you see how the red polish shines through the pink one? And what about the hollow particles? Let me know in the comments. Now I want to add accent nails, aka my ring finger and my thumb, to the cocktail. This polish is from CIRQUE and it's called 20. It has various size holo glitter, and that's why I'm using the sponge method again, because I want more dense application as opposed to applying it by brush. Look at this sparkling beauty, it's like a jewel. Since I want to protect my nail art, I'm gonna apply a new layer of top coat to seal everything in. Because I have various sizes of holo particles on all of my nails, I chose this fast and hard quick drying glossy top coat from Vibrant Vinyls, which wouldn't dull the holo under any circumstances. This is my last layer of anything at all, so I'm locking my edges of my nails first, and then I'm applying generous amount of top coat on my actual nail. And this is my top coat done. I was wearing the nail protector for some time earlier, so I'm gonna apply my nail cuticle oil with green tea extract from CIRQUE to renew moisture there. So here we are with the finished look. What do you think? Do you like it? Yes, no, maybe. Just let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe and click on all the likes. I will see you again soon. Bye!